My name is Nevin Paleka. I'm the principal at Yarra Primary School, and we are very proud of this new building and the fantastic facilities we are now able to provide to our students. The quality of the build is outstanding, and the design for flexible learning spaces has transformed our teaching practices, accommodates for all our students, and it also connects the new building with our old building. The design of the building is 12 new classrooms, breakout spaces for staff to plan, and breakout rooms where we can work with students one-to-one or small groups. The top floor being able to open up for whole school events. So as a school we were missing out on a space where we could have the whole school community, and with this new building we're able to achieve that. We went through a tender process, appointed the construction company to build the project, and in 4.5 months the building was completed on time, on budget, and opened on the first day of the school year.